Here I will show you how to plot the pandas data. So I have taken the data of the air quality measurements at the various cities. So this is my data. So Antwerp, Paris and London, these three cities, the air quality measurements, various timestamps. Okay, the reference link for this tutorial is given here, so you can see this link for the details. So here I am reading the data from the CSV files and using the first column, index column 0, that is datetime column, as my index. So this is we used as a x-axis while plotting the data. First dates equal to true. That means the first column is treated as a datetime object and not as a string. Okay, this data. Now I am just printing the top 5 rows just to check the data. Okay, I am printing the top 5 rows: Antwerp, Paris and London. Now just I am plotting the data. So there are 3 columns are there here, so there will be 3 graphs here at different colors: Antwerp, Paris and London. Okay, this is the plot. Now I can also change the XY range here. So like this x-axis, like index column 0 date time, from this date to this date I want. The y-axis I want to limit up to the 80. So now print. Okay, so now like that you can set the x and y-axis range. Okay, now you can also print only a particular column only, plot the particular column. Here only Paris. You can also change the color, that line color. So here I am using blue. Now let us say I use red. Okay, so now you see the graph becomes red, the graph line becomes red. So there are various types of graphs are available, so you can get these various types of graphs. This type the dot plot, then dot, then press tab, you will get all the types of plots are available. What are the various plots are available, you can try out one by one. So these are the various types of plots available: box type, density type, pie chart, everything is available. So here I am printing the scatter plots. There is 2 columns of the same length. So I am just comparing the Paris and London data. Okay, this is printed the Paris and London data. Each is 1 dot for the each observation. Okay, you can, this is a box plot. Okay, now you can also plot each column in a separate plot, subplot. So using this argument, subplot equal to true. Okay, so this is the figure size, this is total figure size, and this subplot equal to true. You have 3 columns: Antwerp, Paris and London. So it will plot 3 columns separately. Okay, now you can also customize the plots like X label, Y label, figure size, and save that resultant graph into a image file. Okay, for I will put this Jupyter notebook code in the GitHub and give the link in my description.